Hey, to add or remove widgets on the home screen and the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, all you have to do is just to click and hold on the empty space with your finger, and now select widgets from the bottom of the screen. And as you can see from this, we can actually find the different themes, widgets. So let's say that I want to attach camera widget. So I have to click on this arrow. Now I have to click and hold it and put wherever I want. For example, right here. And now I can also customize this widget. I can get the title on the widget, starting mode. I can save pictures and videos to the different location and get the widget background. I can click save, and now I can click here and get this custom camera picture like this. It was taken. Now I can add it and it will be visible just right here. To remove this widget, click and hold it and then select remove. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.